Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a super simple raised bed garden. It's made out of the treated fence panels that you can get for a wooden fence, so it's meant to withstand the weather, and this is all for under 10 bucks. So these fence panels right here, these are just under 6 inches wide. They're 8 feet long and they're about 3/4 of an inch thick, but they're very cheap. At the store right now you can get them for about $3 a piece, which is the best price you're gonna find on lumber out there right now. Now this can be made to any size. This is just gonna be an herb garden for my wife that she wants done. So we're only gonna go 18 inches wide, just so I can use one strip of drip hose in there that'll water the entire thing. And we're gonna go 3 feet long. So I'm just gonna cut 4 3-foot pieces, and we're gonna stack these up. So it's gonna be just under a foot tall. We got the 4 3-foot pieces that we're gonna need. Now we're gonna need 4 18-inch pieces, and I can use both trimmings of the other board to save some. So just mark it at 18 and cut them. So now for our connecting pieces to hold this all together, we're gonna use these 2x2s, and we're gonna need 11-inch sections, and we're gonna need 4 of those. So we'll just cut these up. Let's get 3 more of those and we'll be ready to go. Now that we got all our wood cut, we've got 4 of the 3-foot pieces, 4 of the 18-inch pieces, and 4 11-inch pieces of the 2x2s, and this is gonna just kind of box together really simple. The most expensive purchase you're gonna have is gonna be these screws, but they're a long-term purchase because it's gonna be a lot more than just for this project. All right, so to attach them, we're just gonna lay out our 2x2s here, and we're just kind of piece this together. Make some room on my little makeshift workbench here. And just line it up the best you can and screw them in. We're going to put 2 screws into each side. All right, now that you got your first one screwed in, 2 screws on each side, just going to stack it up with another one of your 3-foot pieces and 2 more screws on each side. Okay, we got that side done. Now we're going to do the exact same thing to the other 3-foot pieces. Just repeat that process. All right, now that we got both these pieces screwed together, we're just going to go ahead and start attaching the 18-inch pieces to these, and just kind of start screwing them together as easy as you can, and I'll use the other one to prop it up. All right, now that we got both those pieces cut, I'm just going to use one of them to prop the other one up, and I'm going to start screwing the 18-inch pieces into the other support, the 2x2. Once you get one in, it gets pretty easy. And just put 2 in on each side. Like I said, once you get one in, it gets pretty easy. So we'll go ahead and put in the other one just to piece them together, and then we'll stack them in. There we go, all done. Well, there you go, guys. Can't get any simpler than this. Really cheap to make. I'm gonna put some cardboard on the bottom to kill the grass and the weeds off. I'm gonna put a bag of compost and then 2 bags of raised bedding soil, and that's it. So for under 10 bucks, you guys can have yourself a little raised bed. You can, this works for a lot larger scale as well, as you've seen in some of my past videos. I have a bigger one for watermelon. I have some for our snow peas, but this one's gonna be perfect for my wife's little herb garden. So let's go ahead and fill it up. Okay, put this in place. Lift up our soaker hose that's gonna be going in there. Now I'm gonna be putting in the bottom of this cardboard. It's gonna serve 2 purposes. It's gonna keep, as like a weed preventative and a grass preventative. It's gonna kill it off. It's also gonna compost down there and be food for the worms. So that should work out well. Go ahead and add our compost into the bottom of this. Evenly spread it out. Now we're gonna be adding our raised bed soil. So we're only gonna use a half a bag of the second one. And now it's ready for your plants. Go ahead and water it in. Well, that's it, guys. I just watered it in. It's ready to go. Real simple, really cheap raised bed garden, done really quick. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite way is to do a raised bed, or if you've got a better way to do it, or if you like this way. So appreciate y'all stopping by. Catch you next time.